where's money coming from? Yeah. Right, so you go to the bank and you pay, say you're getting a house for €100,000. Yeah, put your goggles on, man. I'm just gonna blow the fucking noise out of your head. Right, so you go to the bank and you get a loan, €100,000. You pay 10% of that, €10,000. For the bank to give you that other 90,000, they only pay 1% of that to the central bank, and they press a button, boom, that money's created. Out of nowhere. Now, if you don't pay that money back, the bank doesn't lose any money. The bank simply defaults that, and you still owe the bank the full fucking 90 grand or whatever, plus the interest that you're paying back for 50 years. Do you not get my point? Is they don't owe the money back, they mark it as a write-off, get it back as tax back, money that they've loaned themselves, private bank, from the central bank. Yeah? So, that's where money comes from, man. From the press of a button and a fucking bank machine.
Where does
in
the
private
paper
bank
for the money come from?
Money's not made out of paper.
How do they pay the people who cut the trees down to make the paper and all?
There's no money's made out of cotton.
Okay, then how do they pay the miners to mine the money for the metal for the coins? Where does that money come into? Because the coins don't exist till they mine the stuff to make the money. So how do they get paid to mine the stuff if there's no money until they make it?
You're gone to Stone Age.